wake up, it's morning time. Grab your brush, let's make it shine. Squeeze the paste, just a pea-sized bit. Bubbles, bubbles, don't forget. Brush, brush, brave tooth, shining bright and true. Round and round, that's what we do. Top teeth, bottom teeth, side to side. Brush, brush, brave tooth, with a happy smile. Swish it here, swish it there. Foamy bubbles everywhere. Fizz, fizz, fizz goes the minty foam. Clean and sparkly tooth, sweet home.
You just watched right now was created with just three apps, and that is Suno AI, your Flow AI, and your Cloud. Now in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create exactly that video. Okay, now you might be wondering, why do I need to learn how to create children's video? You need it for so many things. If you're a teacher, you need it. Okay, you can actually create your own sound, your own personal sound for your students for educational purposes. Okay, let's say you want to teach your pupil how to brush their teeth, just for example. All right, you can create this video, bring it to the class, and you teach them. You know, children learn more when they watch from what they see. Okay, that is where they learn. So now by the time they are brushing their teeth on the video that you're showing to them, they would understand that, okay, it's very important for me to brush my teeth. Another reason why you need to learn this and why you need to watch this video to the end is because you can use it to generate funds for yourself. How do I mean? You can monetize this knowledge. Now, let's say you create a YouTube channel and you're posting just children's niche, maybe children's rhyme, children's cartoon, and so on and so forth. You will make money from it because children are used to watching what? YouTube and that kind of content. Okay, and now it's evergreen. When you eventually get monetized on that kind of content on it, you children will continue watching it till 10 years to come, 11 years. Take Nickelodeon for example, Coco Melon for example. Okay, excuse me guys. So example of channels that are doing well, right, is Lala Fun. Lala Fun posts just children's nursery rhyme. That is what they post. Go and check. Okay, I will attach it in this video. As you can see, they get over 600 and something million views. They make over 640 million views in one video. More than that, that is to show you that this channel is evergreen and children continue watching what they love. Okay, children continue watching what they love. So I think you might want to venture into this niche. All right, even if you're not a teacher or something, you can just open a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel, and start posting this niche. All right, learn it well and start posting it. Okay, and this channel are making a lot of money. From statistics, it shows that they are making over $750,000 a month, and that is a very huge amount of money. But now remember, it's not a quick scheme, because that money did not come overnight. They did not just post 2-3 videos and they started making it. No, that is what happens when you are consistent with what you do. Okay, that is the wealth that was built over time. Now, if you're watching my channel, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, my name is 11th Hour Girl, or you can call me AZK Vivian. On this channel, I teach how to use AI for creation of different videos, be it animal documentaries, which you can actually look into my other videos, or how to create AI movies, or how to create children's cartoon like this. I also teach other stuff about website and the rest. Okay, so if you're coming to my channel for the first time, do well to like, subscribe, all right, and leave a comment. Just in case you don't understand anything, I'm open to you saying it under the comment section, and I'm going to make a video on that particular stuff that you don't understand. All right, so guys, without much ado, let's get to it. Please guys, don't forget to watch to the end. Please, you appreciate it if you watch to the end. You appreciate it, okay, and you actually see results. All right, thank you guys. Let's get to it. So guys, open your Cloud AI, all right, and paste this prompt. Come up with 10 original concept idea for nursery rhymes and kids song video that feature catchy rhymes. Each idea should be simple. Remember, we are using it for children, so simplicity is the best. Easy to understand. These children don't know big grammar, so just bring the grammar down, right? A strong rhyme, a strong rhythmic flow, and include repetition and playfulness. All right, yes, there should be repetition of song, like rhyme or statements, sentence, you get. The song should be educational. Of course, since it's for children, anything you're putting out there should be educational purposes. Should not contain anything outside education, all right? Promote positive or gentle themes, yes, and include vivid visual with optional interactive elements. Of course, what they can understand. Keep the tone fun, engaging, all right, and friendly, blah blah blah. Now, Cloud AI gave me 10 titles, all right, and what they represent, what they teach. Do you see it? That is why your prompt is very important. It gave me 10 titles and what they teach. Take for instance this one. Um let me go back. Which one? Helping hand. Just read them through. Okay, brush. It teaches how to brush, teaches children how to brush their teeth, why it's important to brush their teeth. All right, so I'm taking that one. Now I now went ahead to say write the full lyrics for the song number 4, which is the brush brave tooth, okay, including a catchy chorus and lively sing along verses. All right, you tell Cloud AI what you want it to do for you. All right, you can copy this one and you use the prompt. Okay, so now Cloud AI went ahead to give me what I want. All right, it went ahead to give me the verse, the chorus, you know, and the rest of them. See the chorus, see the verse, wake up. It just gave me everything. All right, it just gave me everything. All you have to know here is good prompting, how to do a good prompting. Make sure you tell Cloud what you want. See all the verses. Did you see it? It gave me everything I needed. All right, it gave me everything I need. So the next thing is to open your Chrome, right? Open your Chrome, head over to Suno AI. Now, this Suno AI is what we're going to be using to generate our sound, all right? We just have to put the title, we put the lyrics that Cloud gave us, all right? Now, when you come here, you register with your email address. Just register with your email address, all right? Do the necessary registration. Me, I use my email. I use one of the email that I use. Put your date of birth and the rest of them. Now, in this place, that is where you're going to be pasting that chorus, that lyrics that what is it called? That Cloud gave to you. All right. The lyrics that Cloud gave to you. What you have to do is to copy from verse 1 to the end. Copy from verse 1 to the end and go and paste it in your Suno AI, the one that you just created. All right, go and paste it there, as you can see what I'm doing. Now, after pasting your lyrics, you scroll down. Please scroll down. All right, then there they will say the style of what you want to create. Do you get? You write the style of what you want to create. Right, you write the style. That is what you write here is how you want the music to sound. All right, so now you put children nursery rhyme because it's a nursery rhyme and it should be playful. Children, they love something that is exciting, something that is fun, something that is playful. Do you get? Something that they can sing along. All right, they love repeating chorus. All right, they love something that they can sing along. So now the next thing to check for is the title. All right, the title, they will ask you to put the title of the song that you want to create. All right, so it's very simple. You will just all you have to do is go to your, if you don't remember the title, you go to your Cloud AI and copy that title it gave to you. All right, it's very simple. Copy exactly the same title that Cloud gave to you, that one that you use to create this. Now that is brush brave tooth. The one that you use to create lyrics. Lyrics, guys. So you just paste it there, then you tap on this create. Are you seeing the create that is there? Yes, you can see it. So you tap on it and it will start creating the stuff for you. All right. After creating it, to create 4 songs for you. So now you'll be the one to choose. Now the 2 songs under, right? Those ones you pay for it, but the two up, you just choose from that one, right? Let's make do with what we have. But if you like the two under, you pay for it. Alright, but me, I used to make do with the two that they gave us, the first two. Alright, so let us play it and even see. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay, let's hear how it sounds. Alright.
Don't forget.
Okay guys, since it sounds very good, we'll just click on download and download it. Alright, so next thing, go back to your cloud AI. You tell it to give you prompts for the generation of images, but this time, sorry guys, you put prompt for the generation of videos because I'm generating videos straight. No need of generating images before video. Okay, and we're going to be using flow AI. Alright, so now cloud will give you the prompts. Alright, cloud will give you the prompts of these things, and these are the prompts it gave. Okay, all right, it gives prompts for each verse. All right, which is good. All right, you see how we are doing it, right? Okay. All right, so guys, the next thing to do now is to copy individual prompts. All right, so you come here, you copy the first prompt, this one. Just copy it, copy, and go and paste on your flow AI. Click on new, paste it there. Before you paste it though, please, that image, take it to video. You see that place that there is image, take it to video. That place that is 9:16, please take it to 16:9 because I'm doing YouTube long. All right, it's YouTube long that we're doing. Do you understand? I believe you understand. So now you paste the stuff and you click on generate. Right, it takes few seconds to generate, and voila, that is it. Yes, that is it. That's generated, and I think this is very good. Yeah, this is very good. So you repeat the same thing for the other prompt it gave us. All right, you repeat the same thing for the, you go back to cloud, copy the second prompt and go and paste on your your flow AI. You guys know what flow AI is, yes, but if you don't know, just go to your Play Store and download it. Right, so now as usual, it takes few seconds, and after that, see, voila, it's generated. And this is teaching that when a child wakes up, the child should go and brush the teeth, not even asking for food yet. So the next thing, after generating, go to your CapCut, select the videos you've generated, all of them, select all of them, all right, on your CapCut. You know how to do this. Guys, after selecting, click on add audio. Click on audio. When you click on it, you see something like this. Click on device, all right, and select your sound. The sound brush, brave tooth. You select it, all right, and add it. And now this is what you get.
Wake up, it's morning time. Grab your brush, let's make it shine. Squeeze the paste, just a pea-sized bit. Bubbles, bubbles, don't forget. Brush, brave tooth, shining bright and true.
As that, using what? Your cloud, your Sono AI for the music, and what? Your flow for the generation of the video. And that is that for that. Okay guys,
Side to side, brush, brave tooth, with a happy smile. Swish it here, swish it there, foamy bubbles everywhere.
From cloud, you generate the lyrics from cloud. You generate the music from where? Suno. that is that on how to create children's nursery rhyme. Now I hope you guys learned a lot from this video that I just created, and I hope you put it into practice. Please do what you like, do exactly, try to recreate exactly what I did. Okay, copy the prompt, recreate exactly what I did. All right, and come back in the comment section and tell me if it really worked. Okay, come back and tell me if it really works, and if it didn't work for you, you can also tell me, right? Because the joy of it is that when you are teaching something and other people is learning, it gives joy. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you've watched this video, please do well to subscribe, guys. Please and please do well to subscribe. Thank you for watching to the end. If you did, I pray God bless us all. Mwah.